Hey traders, welcome back. As you can see here, we are on the Bitcoin chart and it is 1 hour time frame. As I told you in my previous analysis, we had this triangle for the price. I exactly don't remember. I told it in my short analysis or big analysis, long video analysis. But we had this position. Okay, I told you that with the break of any of these trend lines on 1 hour time frame, we will enter that direction with the market, and the market broke this trend line to the upside and close a body up there like this, so we can risk on that and enter buy position, put our stop loss below the candle and look for our risk to reward 2, which the price gives us our risk to reward 2 somewhere here. And it is fantastic that we have some live trades that can be profitable. But right now on 1 hour time frame, we can imagine a trend line like this with 1, 2, 3 touches on that. If this trend line can be broken to the upside, we can enter buy position. But something that we should know is we have this trend line in the bigger time frame. I think it is 4 hour time frame. Yeah, we have this trend line, and we have to actually see this one too. And if the price can break this trend line on daily time frame to the upside, just on daily time frame, as we had this position like this, okay, broken on 4 hour time frame, but not broken in daily time frame, so the price started falling from there. We should just wait for the daily candle to be closed up of that, okay, the body of the candle, and if the price makes some shadows there, we will extend it like we did this one and wait for the next candles to break that. And let's check daily time frame too to see what we have. Right now the price doesn't care about it doesn't care about these support and resistances here. We had actually a resistance here which was a support. Right now I don't know, the price is not reacting to this level. Yeah, I told you that with the break of these trend lines on daily time frame and 1 hour time frame, we can have some positions and make money with that. But let's check 15-minute time frame to see what we have. We can actually imagine a trend line like this. If I can draw it, yeah. If the price can break this to the downside, we will enter sell position and set our stop loss, and we look for our reward on just 15-minute time frame. Let's check 5-minute time frame too. We can actually imagine a resistance like this. The price touched that and started falling, and also this one here too, which the price is breaking it to the downside. We can risk on that and enter sell position here, put our stop loss somewhere safe and look for our reward. Okay guys, it was all about today's analysis of Bitcoin. Let's move to the next part, the education part, and also see the yesterday's positions too. Guys, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more daily crypto and forex analysis, and also leave me a comment and tell me your ideas about the future of Bitcoin in the upcoming days by technical side. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. As you can see here, we are on the Bitcoin chart and it is 5-minute time frame, and it is 27th of April, if you can see it there, 2023. On the first position we have this trend line for the price with 1, 2, 3 touches on that. When the price breaks it to the upside, we enter buy position here, put our stop loss below the candle, or you can put it safer, and look for our risk to reward 2, which the price goes up and even doesn't let us to exit our position in something like 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes, okay, somewhere here. It gives us a reward of something around 5.5, which is really nice. And it doesn't mean that we should take all that risk to reward 5.5, or I did that. it means that this position had the potential to give us this much of reward. On the second position, we did have this trend line with 1-2 touches on that. This actually, it was like this at the first look. Okay, when we see that shadow, we extend it and wait for a candle to break it, and it is broken here, so we enter buy position, set our stop loss somewhere safe, and it gives us our risk to reward to somewhere here. On the trade 3, we have this trend line for the price with 1-2 touches on that. Okay, and it was broken here, so we enter sell position, put our stop loss somewhere safe, and it gives us a reward of 2.4 somewhere here. On the trade 4, we have this trend line with 1, 2, 3, 4 touches on that. When the price breaks it to the upside, we can risk on that and enter buy position there, put our stop loss below the candle or somewhere safer, and look for our risk to reward 2, which the price goes up and gives us a reward of 4. And let me clean it, let me explain something to you. We have actually this trend line here too, and we are waiting for the price to break it to the upside. Okay, instead it makes a shadow there, so we extend it like this and wait for the next candle to break it. And the next candle, when it breaks it with a really big candle compared to the previous candles. Okay, like 20-30 previous candles we have, this candle is bigger than all of them. Okay, I myself, I don't enter in this kind of positions. Okay, if you can see, the size of the candle is bigger than the whole position we have here. Okay, our position is here, and I don't enter these kind of positions. And if you enter here, you have to at least put your stop loss here and look for your risk to reward 2, which the price, if it wanna give your actually risk to reward 2, it will be somewhere here. Okay, and it is actually illogical to enter this position and set your stop loss below this. So I myself don't enter these kind of positions with the break of a big candle like this. On the trade 5, look at here, we have this trend line with 3 touches on that. Okay, when the candle breaks it, the size of the candle is okay, is small, is standard compared to this position here, so we can risk on that and enter buy position, set our stop loss somewhere safe, and it gives us a reward of 7.5 somewhere here, which is really nice. And if we have missed this position here, we could enter buy position on this one too, or you can actually extend it like this and wait for the and enter here and put your stop loss below this and get your reward. On the trade 6 and the last one, we had this trend line for the price with 1, 2, 3 touches on that, and it was broken here, so we enter sell position, put our stop loss up of this candle or somewhere safer, and look for our risk to reward 2, which the price starts falling and gives us a reward of 3 somewhere here. And also, if we have missed that position there, we could enter sell position with the break of this trend line here and putting our stop loss here or even here, and get our risk to reward 2. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also leave me a comment and tell me your ideas about the future of Bitcoin in the upcoming days by technical side, and if you have any questions you can ask me in the comments. Thank you and bye bye.